Well, a lot of homeowners have been sweating over the proposed hike in sinkhole coverage from Citizens Insurance. This week we found out that it will be a lot less than we first feared. But as News Channel 8's Shannon Bankin shows us, it's still a big enough hike to convince some people to drop their coverage altogether.
John Blackburn has decided to drop his expensive sinkhole coverage.
In this case, I believe the benefits are hopefully going to outweigh the risks.
Blackburn pays about $800 a year for basic home insurance and nearly $1,200 more for the sinkhole coverage. When his carrier, Citizens Insurance, recently tried to raise rates by more than 400%, Blackburn called his mortgage company. That's when he learned that having the coverage is up to him. The state legislature this week approved a sinkhole rate hike of just 33%. But Blackburn says money is tight, and he doesn't think the insurance he's getting is worth it.
Our deductible, as it is right now, if we were to file a sinkhole claim, if it would even be applicable to the sinkhole endangering the structure of our house itself, would be almost $12,000. That's a $12,000 deductible before they'll come into play and cover any other loss.
Dropping your sinkhole coverage may save you on your mortgage payments, but legal experts caution it may cost more in the long run. Attorney Kelly Kubiak has handled sinkhole cases for a decade. She says there's a risk in every neighborhood.
So it doesn't matter what your mortgage company says, what the maps say, what the data show, you should have it.
Unless anybody just wants to give away their house and what they've put into it, sure, they can go ahead and not get the coverage, but otherwise, yes, they should do everything they can to keep it.
Blackburn says going without insurance isn't for everyone, but he's still not convinced everyone needs it.
I would expect anybody such as ourselves to do their homework, get literature on it, do your research on the internet, find out more about the geographical location that you live in, and if you want to take the risk, then take the risk, but weigh the benefits.
Shannon Bankin, News Channel 8.
The hike approved this week means that homeowners will pay an average of $451 a year more for sinkhole coverage with Citizens. Private insurance companies are not required to offer sinkhole coverage, and that means most homeowners don't have the luxury of shopping around for it.
And again, that's an average. I mean, if you live in some of these high-risk areas, that
could cost a lot more.
Still more, up $800 or so.